Let's look at a longer lyric poem together. We Are Here by Milena Morling. The first thing I'm going to do is mark it up and make a visual map of my reading experience with those hearts and exclamation points and little bits underlined. I really want to try and find the heat, take note of how I felt when I initially read the poem. For example, this moment where the father does a card trick in front of the mirror, that little bit of magic does a magic trick on me as a reader. So I ask myself, what do I notice? I notice there are 2 stanzas. I notice the stanzas are 1 sentence each, broken up into lines. I notice that the momentum of those individual lines move the way a train moves. So I begin to feel as though I'm on the train with the poet, looking out the window. I'm kind of puzzling over the ending here. I'm not sure what she means. I wonder why Swingline Staplers and why Bronx Casket Co. And to be honest, in my first couple of readings, I really gloss over that language. But then it occurs to me, Bronx Casket Co., that's a reference to death. And so these words only resemble the meaning of these words. I've actually glossed over something that she's trying to ask me to pay attention to. This idea of mortality, she's writing around it rather than about it. The other thing that this ending does is it sends me back up into the poem again, starting with that title, We Are Here, which reminds me to be present and to pay attention. And so I do.